I want to talk to you about the UltimateTax 1040 Plus Corporate Software Review. And this is important because, folks, for the last 11 months, we have investigated 82 professional tax preparation and research tools, culminating in the review of hundreds of features, pricing tiers, databases, and customer support models. So whenever we needed clarifications or answers to specific thematics, we reached out to UltimateTax representatives. So this particular review, this UltimateTax 1040 Plus Corporate Software Review, is a part of a series that is a direct byproduct of our months-long initiative. So we have rated this particular software tool on 6 pivotal criteria. We have accuracy, timely updates, value for cost, ease of use, customer support, and availability of forms. Enjoy. We want to jump right into today's agenda. You want to see this on the screen right now. Here is today's agenda. I'll give you a little précis about the software. Then we'll talk about ergonomics, convenience, productivity, support, growth, and pricing. And I'll just nicely recap today's conversation for you in our synopsis. So let's talk about the précis here. So when you think about UltimateTax 1040 Plus Corporate, you are basically looking at a duality here. You're looking at 1040 and corporate. So you basically have the ability to have an all-inclusive professional tax software that does a lot of things, that gives you unlimited 1040 and corporate returns inclusive of all states, all 50 states, and the tax forms are all updated with state and federal income tax returns. This is really wonderful. You have free paperless filing. You can file as many 1040s as you want electronically, including past due returns. Okay, that's really right. We have unlimited e-filing here. You have smart diagnostics. You can review calculations and tax return fields to ensure 100% accuracy before filing. And you have a faster turnaround time for tax preparation. So what we love here is that the UltimateTax Desktop 1040s is very easy to use. It helps, and it has modules and interfaces to help you finish your client's tax returns in a matter of minutes. Okay, so that's the bottom line. So with this software, you can also maximize your earning potential. Very important. You got to think about the practices, sustainability and stability in terms of finances. So your liquidity will be taken care of. You can maximize your earning potential. You have unlimited users, and you have a dependable customer support IT that is based in the US. Very important. And we love the fact that with this UltimateTax 1040 Plus corporate software review, you're able to handle updates during the tax season. You're able to handle retroactive tax law changes. You have access to the kind of quality of technical support that you need during tax season and beyond. Before I get into the actual nitty-gritty, please check out this short video about our professional tax preparation software evaluation methodology. We do have a rigorous process here in this show when it comes to reviewing, categorizing, and listing professional tax software tools. Check this out. Let me talk to you about ergonomics. So when we talk about ergonomics, we are focusing on user friendliness. How UltimateTax 1040 Plus Corporate, it helps you in terms of user friendliness. The software has most essential features. Okay, they actually have features and modules that will help you do your tax preparation quickly. It is very easy to use. It has all the specifics you would come to expect from a professional tax software of this caliber. So you have data entry style forms or interviews. You have all states included, all federal tax forms included. You have unlimited 1040 file, and you have corporate returns. I've mentioned that before. And you have free software data conversions. In our view, this is really great in terms of ergonomics because you're able to save a lot of hours more with free data conversions from your previous tax software to UltimateTax software. So you don't have to worry about your client's past tax documents. Okay, not a problem. Software specialists are available to help you without any fuss or additional charges, and we love the fact that you can rely on UltimateTax to propel your tax practice to another level, whether we're speaking about tax season or beyond. And you can actually prepare taxes using templated forms including all states. Okay, and if you really think about it, this is great for scalability, right? You're able to get more clients with the unlimited federal and state returns in UltimateTax Desktop 1040 software, 1040 plus corporate software. You can file individual tax returns from any states with templated forms. You can also file business tax returns. So overall, one thing I want you to remember here is that 1040 plus corporate includes fiduciary 1041, and we know how important that form is, especially if you are in that niche, trust and estates and all that kind of niches. You have partnership 1065. You have C corporation 1120C, S corporation 1120S, estate tax 706, gift tax 709, exempt organization 990, and miscellaneous such as 1023, 1120F, 1120H, 1128, 2290, Form 2553, very important, 3115, 43, 433A, 3911, 656, 8282, 8857, SS4, W9, and more. What does this UltimateTax 1040 plus corporate have to offer? What does the software have to offer? Well, when we talk about convenience, we are speaking about user experience. We're speaking about the overall satisfaction that you gain from using this software, not only in terms of efficiency, but also effectiveness. Not only in terms of whether you are a solo practitioner or you are part of a team, you need to think about how this UltimateTax 1040 plus corporate helps you gain productivity, right? And so you're able to speed up your work's turnaround time. And this software, the 1040 plus corporate, has a launchpad, interview mode, and reports. So you're able to have access to tools and features that actually help you move faster. So this software was designed with the simplest interface. We love that. New users can start using professional tax software from day one. And this is kind of cool because the last thing you want is to be on the phone and ask somebody at UltimateTax to explain to you how to use the software. You don't want to do that. You want to have a software tool that is easy to use, that has great interfaces, and that you can just jump in right away. And we love the fact that they also have a launchpad, so you can customize your buttons in your launchpad, so you are able to get through the data entry on multiple tax returns in a short period of time, and all quick links you need are in one place. So this is really good. We also love the interview mode here, so you're able to guide your clients in providing their tax data using the interview mode feature. So you can enter the client data and fill out standard tax forms fields easily. So you can input the client information once and prepare as many tax forms needed for a client. This is really good, especially when you deal with mass volumes of returns. This is really good. So this feature, in our view, will appeal to new and seasoned tax professionals alike. Okay, and you also get detailed reports from this. And this helps with convenience because you're able to increase user experience. You can generate detailed reports and be on top of everything at the office. You can keep track of all tax return statuses. You are informed. You can create data-based decisions. You can improve your process, and you can expand your practice. So this is really good. And we also love what they call at UltimateTax. They have a 365 service. Okay, so this is a service that allows you to call, chat, or email for any technical and customer support inquiry. In terms of productivity, what does this software have to offer? Again, here, when we are speaking about productivity, folks, we are talking about workflow gains. And for us, this is really important to replace this particular software in its context. Okay, you are looking at a hybrid offer here. You're looking at a duality here. You have 1040 and then you have corporate returns. So this is really good. And when we analyze the productivity here, we pay attention to the ability to maximize your earning potential with this software, but also the ability to offer unlimited e-filing for your clients. Think about it. If you can offer unlimited e-filing for your clients, think about the gain you can have on your productivity, the gain you can have on your team's productivity, because you have to think about individual productivity, but also collective productivity, especially during tax season. Okay, so you have e-file. You can file unlimited returns electronically without additional fees. You can guarantee your clients 100% IRS compliance through tax e-filing. You can take on more clients with a faster and more efficient way of filing returns. So you're able to gain productivity. You're able to boost your bottom line, and you want to ensure accuracy for all tax returns prepared, right? It's important. It's not just about quantity here. It's also about quality. So you want to add security to the tax forms you prepare with UltimateTax Desktop 1040 plus Corporate Smart Diagnostics. So this is actually a process. This is a module within the software that allows you to automatically check for calculations and entry fields left blank. Okay, and this is really good because the software will prompt you with possible errors before you file any tax returns. And we also love the e-signature module, so you can add convenience to your clients with the e-signature feature, so you let your clients sign their tax returns electronically in compliance with the IRS standards. Okay, and in terms of productivity, we also love the fact that with this software you can prepare taxes using templated forms, including all states. For us, this is really important. You want to include all states, because it doesn't matter if you're just doing a fiduciary 1041, partnership 1065, C Corp, S Corp, 1120C, 1120S, estate tax 706, 709, an exempt organization 990. If you're just limited to a few states, no, you want software that allows you to cover the whole United States, all 50 states. I'll be right back right after this. Don't go anywhere. I want to talk to you now about customer support. And there are several ways to reach this company, this provider. You can contact sales if you are a new customer, or you just want to inquire about the price or the product itself. You can contact sales, or if you are an existing client, there is a constellation of tools that you can access to gain more insight about the product, but also about the tax process in general. You can see on the screen here, you have multiple ways to contact UltimateTax. They have a solution center. They have My UltimateTax. This is your dashboard, and here also you can get all the answers that you need. You can chat with a service expert. And again, as I've said earlier, during tax season, it could be a little delayed. They're not going to get back to you quickly because they are just swamped. Okay, but if you have the proper tier of service, you should be able to have premium access to a service expert. You can also create a service ticket. So you actually go online and you just fill in the information that you are inquiring about, and somebody will get back to you. You can also we love this feature. It's called Show My Screen. This happens if you are talking to a customer service representative and they just want to see your screen, what you're looking at, so they can actually guide you as you speak to them. This is really good. We call that live help. This is really good. You can call their customer service team. You can email them. We do not recommend to use the email as the email conduit, especially during the tax season, because they'll take forever to get back to you. Honestly, we tried that, and it will take forever. But if you use other conduits, if you call them, if you chat, it's faster. You also have the UltimateTax blog, which is really great. In our research, we have seen blogs that are rich with resources and knowledge data points, and this is a good one also. And you can also so you have software support. You can set up and troubleshoot some issues online, desktop. You also have what they call rejection codes, so you can contact sales for that. And they also have an FAQ that you can visit. They have a tax preparer center that you can go to also. And we love the fact that they have continuing education credit, so you are able to further your CPE and CPE goals, not a problem. They also have an IRS information center, so if you're interested in that in terms of IRS EFIN details or your IRS PTIN details, so that's kind of cool also. How do you grow with UltimateTax 1040 plus corporate? There are several ways. Number one, they do offer bank products. So this is really good. If you go to their website, they offer a variety of bank products. So this is a good conduit to generate extra revenue, not only during tax season, but on a consistent basis. If you've been following all our videos, you understand that we pay attention to sustainability in terms of your practice. We don't care about seasonality and cyclicality. Making money 3 months or 4 months in a year is not really a sustainable way to run your practice. You want to get into a position where you're making money consistently and significantly. And so the thing here is that besides the bank products, you can also earn more with what they call ultimate cash. Okay, and they do have a lot of partners though, a lot of bank partners when it comes to their bank products. They have partnered with TPG Santa Barbara. You also have the EPS Financial. You also have a Refund Advantage. So those are the three bank partners they have they are now collaborating with. Okay, and one thing we also love is the fact that they basically also have a great resource on the website that talks about how to run your practice. They have an ultimate guide for new tax preparers, and we found this very interesting and very, very relevant, especially if you're a newbie and this is your first year of filing the return. You are filing returns for your clients. You might want to read this guide. And we also love the fact that they have a constellation of add-on services. So besides bank product, you also have other services that allow you to grow your business, grow your practice, and they have they have analytics that help you understand what's going on in your practice, what's going on in your niche. They also UltimateTax also helps you. They also help you market yourself. In other words, they help you with things such as building a website, using content marketing and direct marketing to expand your practice, connecting on social media, asking existing clients for referrals. So everything you need to do to grow your practice, you have resources that are available on UltimateTax's website to get to the next level. So this is really great. Let's talk about pricing here, folks. When we talk about pricing, I want you to see on the screen right now what you have. So this tax season, UltimateTax Desktop 1040 Plus Corporate will cost you $888, so $888. And this is actually so this is software that you have to buy. This is a desktop software, so you buy the software and you just install it. And what we have seen here is that basically the way it works is you buy the software online, and they will send you so they'll send you some kind of code, and you don't need the CD-ROM in your as we used to do back in the days. No, they will basically give you access to the software. You can download it from their website, and that should be it. One thing you need to understand, and UltimateTax has been very adamant in terms of compliance. They want you to follow a few things, a few steps. So you want to click the Buy UltimateTax Desktop 1040 Plus Corporate button, and you want to enter your information to enter your order. So you got to key in your data. Okay. The second step is, so once they receive your information, they will process your order in coordination with the IRS. So they really are very compliant in that matter. And step number 3, After confirmation, you will receive your UltimateTax Desktop 1040 plus corporate software in your email. Okay. One thing you need to do is that you need to have your EFIN ready. This is very, very important. This is a requirement from the IRS, not UltimateTax. Okay. So if you don't have an EFIN summary, your order cannot be entered into the system. So this is something that you need to understand. And if you are a prior CCH, TaxWise, ATX, or affiliated customer, UltimateTax may ask for a release documents. So this release means that you no longer want to be associated with a prior company. So this is important in ensuring that no one else is using your EFIN. Okay. And if you owe money to a CCH or any affiliated company, they will not allow you to sign up with UltimateTax until that is taken care of. So to get a release, what will happen here is that UltimateTax will notify your next steps by email. Okay, so those are things you need to pay attention to. And if you have questions, one thing I also want to say here is that you can also look at how this particular software stacks up against other UltimateTax products in terms of pricing. You can see on the screen. This is, again, if you are interested in other products from UltimateTax, you can see on the screen the UltimateTax PPR return, the online 1040, the desktop 1040, and the 1040 Plus corporate. All right, folks, this is it for today's conversation. So who is this UltimateTax 1040 Plus corporate for? In our view, this is great for single member, oligo member, multi-member, and small practices. And our score, 8.5 over 10. So overall, UltimateTax ranked number 6 in our top 10 tax preparer software tools. And you can go and watch that video if you're interested in. And this UltimateTax software tools, in general, they are great for micro and small practices. Thank you so much for your attention, folks. I really appreciate it. I will see you next time. But until then, remember, stay marvelous.